Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to the business. Good morning, everybody. So, who's ready for today? Got 20 minutes left at the market open. So, let's get right to it. Remember, our content, guys, here is only for educational purposes. And we're not financial advisors. So, always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Good morning. Yeah, the strongest play for now is AUID. This one was great in the pre-market. Now it's pulling back. SPHL already did a nice pre-market update for it. Before this huge humongous jump we did for SPHL, the price was around just the 493. And we kind of hit all the profit taken until the 12th. As you can see here, we did we said the 6, 7, and the 10, and we went until the 12th, or almost the 10 here, as you see here, almost the 1080, because this is just fake out in a wick, and the price then will pull back. Was really great trade for today. The other one jumping, see CJMB, guys, have an interesting resistance right now to break out on the $3.39. So far, so good for it. Start to reverse from the $2.30. And AUID, this one as well, one of the top gainer for today, did a humongous job of jumping and still holding the current trend here, but now it started to pull back a little bit. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. Hit the like button on the way in. Today is a huge active day. Today is crazy, guys. Today, finally, the market is alive again. Clifton, good morning. Karina, good morning. Beyond Meat did really great job. Yeah. Let me just check Beyond Meat. Yeah, Beyond Meat did a really great job yesterday from reversing from the 90. Really good job reversing. And I think because we got bring a new protein drink. Interesting. And I think 10 days ago, they appointed new chief accountant officer. As you can see, we have another channel for Beyond Meat to break for this week. AUID, we got a breakout for the support or breakdown. Breakout, usually we say to the resistant when we break up. But yeah, the short seller came heavily for AUID. So the best right now is CJMB because you get it near the 3.43 breakout zone. And the other one is SPHL. As we said, it was really great to exit around the 10 here. Once we hit the 10, we have a bit of FOMO buying until the 12th, then we pull back. As a reminder, this trade, we did it early on in the pre-market, guys, once the price was around the 493. And after that, after we did this update before the market open and before this breakout, we did double or over double the price around this level. Great hunt is PHL for everybody. Wasn't bad for today. Finally, we have some action. Shorts are nervous. They increased almost 800K today. We'll see, Karina. If we broke the resistance for today for Beyond Meat at the market open, will be fantastic for Beyond Meat to make the short seller cover. The good thing is we bounced from the 90. The resistance for Beyond Meat now, it is around or below, I think, the $1. Yeah, this is the first resistance for now, but the main resistance is the 108. But there's another resistance that if we broke at the market open, would be great, which is around the 99 cent. But the main one is around the 108. So now is 2% up. If we jumped 10% today, would be great, or 12% in total. Yeah, we need 12% at the market open for Beyond Meat to squeeze. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. We always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon, where we discuss the market in depth. Okay, so CJMB is getting near the breakout. We got SPHL, the same, is about to break out here at the market open. So this one, as we said, it was really great to enter in the pre-market or on our watch list. Jumped and hit all the profit taken. We got AU idea, AUD. Yeah, it pulled back, but still holding current support over the 165. So those the main stock that we should watch. ABLD in green, B in green. We got MU in green, MSTR the same. Yesterday we did a nice trade for TSM, guys. Had earnings. We did the swing trade as well yesterday. Remember, guys, we don't do just day trade, but even swing trade. MSTR was on our list, and TSM, of course, we discussed it yesterday before the earnings and did 6% in total in pre-market after a huge earnings. Earnings weren't that bad. 33 billion reported revenue. Semiconductor TSM now is pulling back. I'm watching for yeah, a pullback maybe to fill the gap here around the 334 maybe and reversal. TSM looking interesting, guys, after the massive earnings. Now is kind of correcting down. Going back, what's going on? We got huge day, guys. 5 minutes to go at the market open. 5 minutes left, guys. So let us have a green day for today. Who's ready? Good morning, Karina. Good morning, George. How you doing, man? I don't know if you can. Neo and Mara. I will check it right now before I forget. Neo. Last time you asked me about Neo, it was last year, I think. It pulled back really good. Now we got a bit of reversal. Let's see. Still below or still a bit far from the $4. But I will adjust the support here because we might reverse before the $4. So we got still the almost the $4, and the other level it is around the $3.94 or 96 and the $4.37. Main resistance is still around the 588, so didn't change, but I will lower it down because now is a bit far this level. So the main resistance at the moment it is around the 504, and let's see how much we could do here. Yes, 7% in order to go up. But if we don't break the 5.5, it means we're gonna go down, continue toward the 437 and almost the $4 for reversal. If we broke, we're gonna have the 5.6 or 560 and the 6. For Mara, on the other hand, yesterday closed on 11.11. Interesting. And now is 11.11. I think this is a sign from the angels to buy Mara. Interesting. I think we might watch Mara closely because it might do a nice job today. Yeah, if it held over the 1096 would be great for today. Yeah, so we have to risk 2% here. Now is still neutral because if it jumped, might do 13% toward the 12.66 and almost $14. So yeah, the main support is around the 985, but if we hold over today over the 1090 would be great for a trade. Yeah, if we open, we held here would be great. Marat might do great. So 2% stop loss, but the main support is still around the 1057. So to be safe, watch out for the 1057 as a support and the 983 and the current resistance 1266. But yeah, Mara looking interesting for a trade. Okay, the market is about to open, guys. Let us have a green day. Remember, our content is always or update alert we always do in the pre-market and during the market open after we finish our live streaming. So the link in comment section below. The best trade for today we did before the market open was for SPHL, guys, was really great. And the other trade that we traded today, it was AGPU. We have a really good entry around this support, the 727, and right now is around the 840, guys. So watch out for AGPU because it was really good trade and still good trade. And this one have a compliance from the Nasdaq, guys. Really huge news for AGPU because as you can see here from the latest news for AGPU or X Compute. Begins trading under the Nasdaq with the new ticker AGPU and regain compliance. So it's really good news for AGPU to have big buyers after the new ticker. And you see, we have a test for the profit taken and resistant. We need to break the $8.42 right now, guys, to continue this huge jump. Yes. Okay, so right now doing all right. AGPU, we have a test for resistance. We need to break this resistance, guys, in order to go up. Yes, we have a nice breakout. Let me adjust the support right now around this level, around the 763. AGPU, guys, one of the top stocks that we traded today. And yeah, we already discussed AGPU today on before the market opened around 2 o'clock exactly, or 2 p.m. CET um, right now. So yeah, BNKK, I don't like it that much, man. I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it that much, man. BNKK, yeah, I don't like the trend. I don't like the charts. Anyway, so AGBO is the main event for today. Is we have another levels that we should watch, which is the $9.20, and the other level is around the 10.23. Yeah, two levels that we should watch out for because we already broke from the $8.40, and now we got another level to watch out for, which is around the 9.21. So this is by far the main event for today, AGBU, guys. As we said, if you just came late, we got an X Compute just began trading under Nasdaq AGBU ticker, new name. Changed the name on Friday. Yes, last Friday we have the change. The company will continue operating its AI-driven drug discovery business while expanding into high-performance enterprise AI infrastructure. So we got a really good, huge news for AGPU, which is in the health technology sector. Yeah, as we said, we got a new ticker last Friday. We got AI focus for this stock. Plus, we got yeah, Nasdaq compliant restored recently. So this stock is biotech, guys. First, the decentralized GPU targeting 400 billion AI cloud market. Yes, sir. So AGBU is around the 22 or 2 million right now. Have a bit of seller just below the 921. AUID is reversing up. This one, I don't like it that much. CJMB, guys, I think it's halted right around our resistance. Watch out. Right around our resistance. Whoa, whoa. MSTR, I think, is pushing back down. What's going on with the market? Yeah, APLD is going down as well. B is going down as well. We got a huge seller. MSTR going down. Yeah, I'm watching MSTR. I'm gonna put alert as well. Come on. Yeah, ABLD pulling back, but I need a more pullback here. The same for B. INTC, we got a breakout here. Same for plug. Still need. Come on, man. Oh, come on. What's going on here? I don't know what's going on with TradingView. It's kind of lagging a lot. You gotta be kidding me. Anyway, so AGBU, guys, as we said, we're still holding the support here. MSTR depending on Bitcoin. Yeah, going up. Yeah, Beyond Meat, let's go. Yeah, HBU, guys, watch out. This one is still on the main event for today. AUID pulling back. This one pulling back. CJMB. This one is really good. So I'm going to take that from the list. ATBC. Whoa, Beyond Meat. We got a huge squeeze for Beyond Meat. Finally. Finally, Beyond Meat 14%, jumping over the 110. Yeah, AGPU did a really good job in the pre-market or market open, but now it's pulling back. Yeah, I think we got a huge seller around the $9, guys. We went just, let's see, around $8.99. So yeah, big seller around the $9 exactly. We'll see if we held the first support here. Right now, it turned around the 763. The other support is around the $7. CJMB resumption, guys. Resumed right now. AUID, I think, is a bit weak right now. There's a big seller for it around the $2.14, so I'm gonna take it from the list. TSM, we got a nice jump for TSM here. Unbelievable. Unbelievable for B. I don't believe that. Yeah, there is some blind person buying B around this price, man. It's too expensive here. But yeah, we got someone buying. I didn't expect this reversal, to be honest. Yeah, 5% like this is crazy. MSTR is flashing down. I think crypto is going down, guys. Yes. Yeah, Riot, Mara, Coinbase is going down. So I'm gonna stay away from those. Yeah, B is the only one is really strong because yeah, renewable energy stock is doing all right. Yeah, because they are on the right section, right sector. Everybody watching for renewable energy. APLD, I'm still waiting for a pullback here. Today it should be a pullback day for the market, except for Intel and B because they are unusually strong because the latest news. AGBU testing the support right now, guys, around the 763. CJMB is still okay. Beyond Meat is still testing the resistance around the $1.08. AGBU is kind of reversing from major support right now. Yeah, not bad here. Not bad for AGBU. It bounces from the support around the, yeah, around the $7 or over this kind of support, the white line. As a reminder, AGBU, we already traded this stock early on in the pre-market, exactly around 2 p.m. CET or 8 a.m. Eastern time. And we discussed this once the price was around the 7. We already even did the chart once the price was around the 727. And as you see, we have a reversal. We hit the 840. We almost hit the 950. It was really good entry in the pre-market. Let's see. BN, yeah, BNK right now. This maybe would be good if we broke this level. So it's not completely bad. So I'm gonna send you the link for the short right now, brother. Remember, guys, you can request a short like this if you are on the elite level on our Discord and Bitcoin, which will be really good because those short will help you very good because the short is really few seconds. You can know where the entry, where the exit, especially for those high volatile stocks. Here you go, BNKK, David. I just sent you the short. ATBC, I don't like it, broke the supports. AGPU, still trying. Wow, CJMB, guys, is testing the resistance right now around 427. Humongous jump for this stock, 250. I think this is the main one, the main stock or the top buyer. Okay, APLD getting near a major resistance or support. BlackRock have earnings as well. Yeah, AGBU, as you can see here, guys, we got a nice reversal. EVTV, is it good today? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's good. It's kind of reversing now. But it's getting near a huge seller around the $3.88. So trade it wisely, man. If we held the 280 for today, would be good. Otherwise, I will watch for the dip here. MTEN, I will check it. MTEN, we got a huge pullback, so it's a bit dangerous here. Yeah, a bit dangerous around those level. Current seller place is around the 55, yes. No, it's around 45, yes. This is the resistance, and this was the profit taken. Let's see the volume, yeah. I'm gonna lower the support here around the 34, 0.34. So it is a bit risky. It's not that strong like the rest. But watch for the first support because if we broke it, it will be no good. Going back, CG JMB, AGBU, Beyond Meat just hit the resistance and pull back. Okay, we got some stock got halted up. Let's see. Yeah, Roller and IPW. IPW, no good. Roller is got halted up and now resumed. It's too dangerous here, brother. Yeah, 27, 27, it is the current resistance for the roller. We got support for it around 1945. Yeah, other support here and there. It did a really good job of holding over this support. So yeah, watch out for the 27.7 because this is the current resistant, and after that the 33. So roller is on the right side. ATBC, I think, is on the pullback side. Okay, the rest I don't like that much. Okay, let us discuss Beyond Meat here. I think we got some news. Beyond Meat, finally, we have a humongous jump, almost 15% at the market open, slightly breaking out, then pulling back. We're going to discuss why the price pumped today, and is this the right time to buy or not, or this is the right time to squeeze for this month and beginning of this year or not. Before we go further, remember our content here for education purposes only. Guys, let me just show you what's going on right now. Beyond Meat, 8% finally hitting the $1.08. We hit even the $1.010. Now you'd be asking, what's that mean? We just jumped 10%. It's not a big deal. No, I'm gonna tell you, because this one is a big deal, because if we go back in time, the first time we have a squeeze, it was like this. We jumped 15%, 18%, then the price pulled back, and the next day we squeezed. If you remember, this happened on 26th of November, and after a few days, we jumped on the 1st of December. On Monday, we squeezed almost 30% or beyond that. Let me just check here, 68%. And now we have the same scenario. And we broke this time from this trend that we entered at the beginning of December. We pulled back from, and we tested last time in the beginning of this year, and now we have a huge jump once again. And this time we tested a major seller place around the 108. And you see what's happened here. The market opened just in the 5 minute, the first 5 minutes, we got the test, and humongous seller came in again. You see, we didn't hold over the 108. We didn't even hold 5 minutes over the 108. We hit the 110 and we pulled back. Is mean the short seller is not getting out that easily, but it's not the end of the day, because the good thing is we have double bottom right now. We confirmed that we have a big buyer over the 90 cent. And if we pull back today, if we still holding over the 90, would be great for a retest over the 108. And this time we might hit the 125. And this is another 15% over the 108. So 15%. And again, if we jumped this time, we have to test the $1.57. And one of you will say, Beyond Meat jumped because they launched this new immerse protein drink. So a new line of revenue will come from this kind of drinks. And this will be, yes, in a big picture, because if they generate revenue from selling this drink, it will be good for the company. But now, just from the technical point of view, we still got a huge seller around the 108, which we should break it in order to do at least first time 15%, and the second time on the 157 25%, or in total almost 50% for this year or this month in the beginning 2026. So it will be a good start if we have this reaction for Beyond Meat. Let me know, guys, in comment section below what's going on and what's happened around the 108. Is that short sellers, a small short sellers, or are we gonna take this level the next time when we test it? Because as we said, we had a bit of time before the squeeze. We took a bit of time after we broke this channel. We took few days to have the breakout, the official breakout, and get halted, because this time once the market opened here, or after the market opened, we got halted before the market closed by a few hours. So maybe we might have the same reaction and we get halted after we break the $1.08 the next time. This would be the best case scenario. Going back to AGPU. AGPU is still testing the support here, guys. This one, as we said, we have a lot of volatility come back to this stock. It was kind of barcoding beginning of this year, and everything changed on the 15th of January or today. We got a lot of volatility and after hours yesterday. So we're still waiting for a breakout over the 9 for this one to squeeze around the $10 and maybe even almost around the 12.70, the major level that we might test for AGPU. The volume is picking up slowly, but is on the right track here. We got CJNP, one of the stocks that got halted right at the market open. Now is unhalted, but they still have a huge seller around the 427. Roller, we got a nice breakout now for Roller. This one is too dangerous, guys, to be honest. This one is really too dangerous. Look at this humongous jump. It jumped from the almost the $4 until the 33. So technically we did in just one day 700 or almost 100%, 800%. So yeah, in the technical side, it looked overextended and overhyped, but currently got halted again, holding over the 19 would be great. APLD, I think, is broke the support. We'll check it later. But yeah, we got a really good reaction for this one, Roller. CHNR looking interesting as well to watch. CHNR look fantastic here, but light on volume. I'm gonna pass on this one. Going back to the swing trade, we got APLD pulling back, B might pull back as well, MSTR pulling back, Intel pulling back. So yeah, the market on the pullback zone. Be careful, guys. I don't like where this heading. TSM, as we said, we have a huge earnings. Now is going on the green side. Let's see the top gainers. SPHL, CJMP, AUID, ATPC, CGTL. Okay, let me just check CGTL, and the top loser for today is NTVA, THH, IVB were the best trade this week. Now they are the worst. So CGTL looking great. Yeah, looking great here. Okay, I will update the level rate later on. CGTL, and the other one, MTVA. No, not good. AGPU looking still okay. AUID looking good. Yeah, still looking okay. Yeah, if it held the 166 would be good, but if it pulled back would be better entry, because right now it's yeah, got shorted a lot around 215. CJMB, CJMB, yes, looking great for now. If it held over this support would be great. But now, yeah, it's trying to have a breakout here. Yeah, there is a huge seller right now around 417, or almost around the 420. You are welcome, man. AGPU still holding guys tightly. Beyond Meat is pulling back. Roller, I think, is time for a little pullback. APLD is still going down. B is pulling back as well. Let's see what's going on with crypto. Yeah, we don't have a huge flush, but the market is reacting big time right now. The market is hypersensitive, guys. Okay, guys, this is it for now. We're gonna do a major update on our Discord. Don't forget to tune in and join us if you want to have access to our alert update. Today was really great because we did two updates. First one we did it was, or the second one, it was for AGPU for entry around the 7. We have a nice level around the 840 and the 7 around the 9. And the other one we got, of course, the main event is SPHL. We cut this one around the 490 and then doubled after that before the market opened. So as you see, guys, the best entry sometimes is in the pre-market, not even sometimes. Almost 90% of the time, the market maker enter in the pre-market. So make sure to tune in and have access. The link comment section below, guys, if you don't want to miss the next trade, because there's always opportunity in the market. Every day there's opportunity. Don't feel FOMO or missed out on good play that we did today. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you all back by tomorrow.